Okay, doing a walk around video first of this John Deere 4050 tractor with a little over 6,700 hours, and then we're going to do a video here too. I'm just going to walk around real quick, and just has not been washed or anything. Cab is going to, I'll take some pictures of the cab, but we're going to put a new cab kit in. It's got Firestone rear tires, real good tread on them, fairly newer. And back dual remotes. There's the drawbar. It's got 4 sets of inside rear wheel weights on back. And then going to have our operator get in and just do a video here starting. So just going to drive around. Crank it up a little. No issues at all, except needs a cab kit, which we're going to put in new. Maybe crank it. Drive it around a little bit. There you have it, and thank you.